Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Pipedrive to Typeform for high converting lead forms. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the Pipedrive dashboard. In a separate browser tab, log into your Typeform account. Once logged into Typeform, click on Create a Typeform to start a new project. Choose a template or select Start from Scratch to design your lead form. Add the necessary questions for your lead form. Consider using fields like name, email address, and phone number for effective data collection. Customize your form's design to align with your brand. After completing the design, click on the Connect tab on the Typeform editor. Select Pipedrive from the list of integrations. You may need to authenticate your Pipedrive account at this stage. Click on Authenticate and follow the prompts to allow Typeform to access your Pipedrive data. Once authenticated, choose your Pipedrive pipeline and stage where the leads will be sent. Map the Typeform fields to their corresponding Pipedrive fields. For example, map the email address field in Typeform to the email field in Pipedrive. Continue this process for all fields to ensure proper data capture. After mapping is complete, review your setup and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, save your integration settings. Return to your Typeform and click on the Share tab to obtain your form's link. Promote your Typeform link across relevant channels to attract potential leads. Monitor your Pipedrive account for incoming leads and adjust your form based on collected data. Test the entire process by filling out your Typeform and checking if the data appears in Pipedrive. Make any necessary tweaks to optimize the lead capture experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.